Hi everyone from Monkey Media Marketing, the group that I have created, no? Doon sa mga taga Filipino Virtual Assistant doon sa group, especially doon sa I posted last time that I will be offering a free video tutorial. Whoever interested in e-commerce, Shopify dropshipping for more virtual assistant back in the Philippines na gusto nilang matutunan yung tungkol sa Shopify dropshipping. So, for the benefit of the doubt, there are some people na they are really interested to learn those. So, I'm just thinking na i-share na rin sa kanila and makakatulong din sa kanila to for sure. So without further ado, I'm gonna do it very quickly because I think we wanted to minimize the time, na paggagawa ng video kasi we need to be straight to the point para ma-shorten natin yung oras. I try to teach this on Tagalog English, but guys, being a virtual assistant, you're gonna be dealing with foreign nationalities most of the time. So I think it is better to learn, even if we are not really that good in English language, but we try as much as we can, right? So since we are gonna deal with these people, right, foreigners, so it's always to need to practice, our English language, for betterment, you know what I mean? And yeah, ang unang-una kong isi-share sa inyo is when you creating a Shopify store is, I think the best thing is we're gonna use their affiliate platform because if you're going to try their trial version, which is only last 14 days, no? So, and if you are going to follow all my tutorial, 14 days will not gonna last, So it's better for you to. I only share this information just for you guys, and it is really a good benefit for you guys to learn. So ako, ang ginagawa ko, I'm also an affiliate with Shopify. I have my own store on e-commerce, so that's why I know most of Shopify dropshipping business. So when we sign into or we log into affiliate affiliate store, what Shopify offers, we can have all the time na mag-create ka ng website mo, customize the website. So I'm not gonna go further, so I'm just gonna tell you how you're going to do it. Okay, so first of all, in order for you to access Shopify, is you need to go to the website, right? It's just gonna type in www.shopify.ca and it will bring you here, right, in their landing page nila, right? So this is basically the Shopify landing page, no? So what I'm saying here, if you try if you're going to try this one here, the 14-day trial, and if you are going to follow all my tutorial to this e-commerce video that I'm sharing with you guys, hindi nyo makakatch up lahat yung ituturo ko kasi it's a long video tutorial process, so matagal siya. So 14 days would not be enough for you to have. And so we're gonna go to their affiliate program. This is free actually, and you know what, being an affiliate with them, although I'm not using this myself, I'm not using this program to share with anybody, but you can. You can. Pwede nyong gawin to. And another thing with that, if you are really are good into, if you learn more about Shopify, you can offer this affiliate program when someone wants to build up their website, or they want like a guide on how to create Shopify store. You can always parang i-promote tong affiliate program nila. And the good thing with this is you're gonna earn money. And most affiliate marketer are doing this, and they're getting a good sum amount of money. Some are they making this for in their own livelihood. So it depends. There's a lot of things you can earn online. So but my objective is for to share how to build the Shopify e-commerce to you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna go straight to the affiliate program. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-sign in at para magamit nyo yung access sa tutorial ko ng mahabang oras, mahabang panahon. Okay, so in order for you to go with affiliate program, you need to go and sign in and become an affiliate. You need to apply. Okay, you don't need to pay anything on this. Instead, you're gonna earn money if you know how to be an affiliate with them. Okay, so click the apply button now. I have my little boy here, my little, hey buddy, say hi to them, say hi, say hi, hi. They don't have class, they're on vacation right now, so they're staying in the house, okay? So what we're gonna do is, because I have already an account, right? So you can see from here. So what you're gonna do, if you're a first timer, you're gonna have to create your own account. Okay, so I'm gonna make a dummy account right now. An email that I don't associate with any of my Shopify stores. So you can have your own email. It might be your own personal email, that you don't use. So for you to have an access on Shopify affiliate program, okay, as a Shopify partner. Okay, so I use my. I'm trying to think which email I'm going to use. So Santi M. James, Santi Oscar. I have. I think I'm gonna use the. How about this Monkey Media? I'm gonna use this for tutorial sake. Okay, 214 at gmail.com. I hope I'm not gonna get blocked by Shopify, because I did make a lot of this affiliate program already, but just for your tutorial sake. Okay, so just do any email that you don't use as your sign in, right? So just hit the continue button, okay, and then give your full name. For me, I'm just gonna do like this is just for testing, right? So it's not gonna be like a real one. So in your sake, you're gonna have to say or write down your real full name, okay? Let's say we do that, okay. And the password, you have to remember your password, okay, when you're doing this thing, right? I have to write it down. Just make sure you guys have to write down everything, so when they verify or check your account, kung ano yung mga password nyo or any users award nyo. So okay, this one I'm gonna have to have let's say, I don't want to use this. Let's say Monkey 2 Media. This is just for the trials, sakes. That's why, I don't really focus on this. So, okay. Okay, so use your own password that you're gonna use for you to sign in. So monkey, this is for me. To media, that's mine. Okay.
You know, so much
So
you
you
do in the
you have to remember your password, your user's name, so you can sign in again. Okay, and then create your account. Bam. Okay. And then, okay, they're gonna ask you your business name. This is just for, it doesn't really mean you need to have your own business. It's just, you can just do anything. Let's say, uh, uh, hot shot, hot shot t-shirt, you know, you can do anything just for you to get a sign-in account. You know what I mean? Generic business name, hotshot. Okay. Generic business email. Use your own. Use your own. Do you remember what did I use, Lucas?
what?
Oh, I did use the monkey. Oh no. I think I did use this monkey media 2214 at gmail.com. You have to remember all your information. Write it down if possible. Website is optional, and then just tell them which city are you from or country are you from, and then you're good. Okay, so you're just creating a dummy account for you to have access, in my tutorial. Okay, so what would you like to learn more about? So basic Shopify store setup, you click that one. Custom Shopify, click that one too. Refer new merchant. If you wanted to go on their affiliate program, you can do that. You want to earn, kickback money, so you can do that as well. How to sell on Shopify if you want to sell something or whatever. Okay, so let's just click the set partner board. That's it. There you go. You got your own. You got your own. What do you call this? Shopify store that you need. To have this e-commerce, what do you call this? E-commerce tutorial dropshipping. I'm having to have to share with you guys. So for the time being, we're gonna pause on this stage at the moment. Kasi masyadong mahaba, matagal yung video. Sometimes it gets bored, right? So this is just, I hope you guys record, what I'm having here. Anyway, I record what I have on this video. So basically that's it. That's how you need to sign in, and for you to have an access on how to make your store, your Shopify store. And then in the future, in the coming video tutorial, I'm gonna do everything step by step for you guys to learn how Shopify dropshipping is, how to get your product from AliExpress, how to fulfill orders, creating your Facebook pixel ads to Shopify store, everything on e-commerce. And I'll be honest with you guys, this course really, most agency, they ask a fee, for you to learn all this. But since I just wanted to help you guys, most virtual assistant back home in the Philippines na gustong matutunan itong other side ng being a virtual assistant. And maraming businesses, especially US and Canada, that are running e-commerce stores. So it will benefit you a lot. So, but for the time being, I'm gonna pause with this. I don't wanna be like, it's 15 minutes already, so we pause for this, and then I'm gonna do more videos, and then I will have all this video in the one folder, so you guys can have a chance to get back and go over it. And one thing I just wanted to ask you guys. If you find value on this tutorial that I'm sharing with you guys, we do have a YouTube channel, Monkey Media account, that we have on YouTube, as well as the Facebook and other social media platform that we are having. I only ask you guys to like and subscribe to our channel. I think yun lang yung parang favor ko lang na maitutulong nyo sa akin, in order for us to create more followers too on Facebook or in YouTube account. So anyway, guys, I hope this makes sense to you guys, and we'll see you next time again in another video tutorial. Have a great day, magandang gabi, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay!